In this tutorial, I'll show you how to leave a guild and Archero 2. First, make sure you have an updated version of Archero 2. So let's hop on the Play Store or App Store and search for Archero 2 and update if it's available. Once updated, just click the play button and wait for it to load. Once loaded, click on the campaign button at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on the guild beside of Survive and Hunt. In here, you will find Monster Invasion, Guild Hall and Shop. Go find the Guild Hall and click on it. Now, click on the Manage Member, beside of Log button and Donation button. Now, just click the Leave Guild if you want to leave now. There's another confirmation if you really want to leave. Just click the Leave button, and that's it. You are now ready to leave your former guild. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.